children, welcome back with another bedtime story. I hope you all have had your dinner, brushed your teeth, arranged your bed. Now sit comfortably. You can grab a soft pillow or maybe a soft toy, whatever you like, and enjoy the story. Today I am going to tell you a story of a frog named Chintu. The name of my story is The Deaf Frog. You know the meaning of deaf means that frog Chintu could not hear anything, not a single word. You must have seen those people who don't speak and use only sign languages for others to explain something, and this is especially for deaf people. Yes, Chintu was too young and deaf also. Chintu always wanted to climb and to reach the top of a tree. Because of he was too young, so he thought he could not do it. One day he decided to reach at the top of a tree. So he went to the jungle to make his dream come true. On the way, he met his friend Monty the Frog.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Hello Chintu, where are you going? Are you in hurry?
Chintu said only trr, trr. Chintu did not reply because he was deaf and he could not hear. And he went away from there. But Monty followed him.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
Next, he met Mintu, and Mintu asked the same.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Hello Chintu, where are you going? You seem to be in hurry.
Again, Chintu did not reply because he was deaf and he could not hear. So he went away. Happily from there to make his dream come true. And now this time both Monty and Mintu followed him.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
On the way he met his other friends and everyone asked the same but did not get any reply back. They saw Chintu going to the jungle. They were worried because they cared for Chintu. They followed him too. When they reached there, Chintu had already started climbing a tree. Once they saw him climbing pretty tall tree, they started shouting and jumping in order to stop him.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Chintu, stop. It's impossible. You can't do it. Don't go up. Please stop. Come down. Come down.
Chintu thought in his mind, everyone is encouraging me to reach the top. He got excited and started climbing even faster. The frog below panicked and सब घबरा गए, परेशान हो गए and started to shout again and jump even more than before.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit. You can't do it. It's impossible. It's impossible. Come back down, Chintu. Come back down.
Chintu thought, oh, they are cheering for me and also saying to keep going on, and this motivating Chintu. And once he was there at the top of the tree living his dream, he shouted loudly from the top of the tree, thank you my dear friends Monty, Mintu and everyone. I am blessed to have friends like you. If you did not motivate impossible. The frogs below were ashamed of their negative thoughts and beliefs, but they cared for Chintu. They felt sorry, but they started shouting and jumping to appreciate for what their deaf frog had achieved. They all were very happy and hugged each other. After few months, Chintu was able to listen with the help of his friend. And now he was not deaf. He was thankful to his friends. He could also reply to his friends. And everyone was very happy. And Chintu sang a song for his friends. Do you all want to sing with me? Let us sing together. Thank you, friends. You are so sweet. Thank you, friends, caring for me. Thank you, friends, for motivating. Thank you, friends, for everything. So, I hope my kids like the story. Now go to bed and wake up early. Bye bye. Good night. Sweet dreams.